You do before of it.
Because I didn't realize it died. Oh, dude, he smells it. He smells it. It's right on that flat. It is? It's like right there? He's like right in front of him. Look. He's about to eat it. He's about to eat it. He's got it. Watch. He's right over it right now.
Oh, he's eating it right now.
He's eating it. Look, he's eating it right now.
Oh, I think he just ate it, dude.
Yeah, he ate it.
Get him. Got him.
Yeah, baby!
He's going right there. Turn him.
GoPro on?
Yeah, I recorded the whole thing, dude.
Oh, good. Nice.
I'm blinking red.
Running. His nice lemon on the flats.
Dude, he might go around that.
Dude, he's smoking your reel. Are you sure you're tight
smoking,
enough?
Like my drag's like
Give him a couple sets. Make sure he's freaking good.
Get him like on the right too. Like turn him like this way.
I'll tell you, he's way nicer than you think he is. He's actually a really nice fish.
How, like hard this thing's fighting.
Dude, that's so sick. We watched him slurp it.
That's awesome, dude.
Watch him slurp it. Dude, he is great. Look how far he is out there.
Oh, dude, no.
No, he'll be good.
Look at that reel.
Dude, I'm literally, it's like so tight.
Oh!
He's nuts,
He's
dude.
gone. He's like 150
He's
yards.
crazy.
Dude, he is so far out there.
He was so caught off guard. Like, he ate it. He's like, oh yeah, I'm getting it.
Dude, that run was so epic though, seriously. Yeah, well, you gotta go quick. Sean, get up here to the front.
Don't you have to reel us in? No, I'm talking.
Get up here to the front, dude. Guys, this fight's getting really intense. He's around a mangrove island over there. We got a real nice lemon shark on. Yeah.
It's already on the tree.
It's already on the
The
tree.
line's on the tree.
I have no idea where he is. Like, I literally have no clue. Oh no, I think he's over there inside that.
I see him.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, keep pulling, Sean. Pull him. Because he's trying to get you under the roof. Cave under there. He's trying to go in it. Yeah, Sean, pull him out of there. God, these weeds are not helping. There you go, Sean. Nice and easy. Not good, dude. He's upside down, so that's why he's not even moving. He's tied to a massive stick, though.
Whatever you just said was not English.
But he's in a huge stick.
Alright, it's just on the tip, dude. It's just on the tip. Oh, now he's falling down.
Uh-oh.
Something just broke.
Oh, good. Yes,
Yeah, I'm
we're off
good,
the stick. We're off the stick.
All right, get him out from under.
They just gotta work him out of the boat.
Nice.
That's a nice fish, dude.
Nice, yeah, it is.
Dude,
Drag's
if
really
he was
tight.
that big, the other one was huge.
What's the biggest nurse you? What is it,
Biggest-
a lemon?
Yeah, it's a lemon.
I was about to say.
Biggest nurse. No, he's probably like 60, I bet.
60 then?
Yeah, like 60, 50, 60. That's a great fish though. Wait, is he hooked on the side? Or no, he's just wrapped. Oh, his head's wrapped. Try to get him unwrapped.
Dude, he's so cool.
He's definitely more than 50.
Why is he
Yeah,
so cool?
he's a great fish.
They're so cool.
That's a really nice freaking fish, dude. Way bigger than I thought he was.
Oh god.
Oh, he's biting the boat. He's biting the boat. Oh, shoot. He's wrapping in the line. Oh, dude, he's wrapping in the line.
I was telling him like,
Oh. Just trying to bite the boat. We're just gonna put his head on the ledge.
Yeah. As soon as he started pulling me, he's like, bro.
watch your feet, guys.
Yeah, dude, seriously, watch your feet. That's a freaking nice lemon, dude.
Yeah, get on that.
All right, here, we gotta get the pliers, get that hook out. Dude, that's so epic. Let me get one a little up like this.
Here, let me get you. You can get one by yourself.
Look at the employee of
Wait, right there. Hold it right there, Sean. Yeah, get down and like try to like be like behind his tail. Yeah, there you go, like that. That's way better, dude. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Right there, dude. Right there. Oh my gosh, he looks like a giant.
Want me to release him?
Wait, right here.
Release him too.
All right, let's go. Let's release him.
All right.
Look at our push pulls. Like,
Another boat comes. Just nags that shit.
let her go. She good.
Oh no way. Oh, she wants to eat.
She's like, bro, let me have that.
She actually wants it.
She actually grabbed that freaking chum bag.
No, yeah, just let it go.
Did she rip that thing open?
Look, see their eyes are like lemon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Later.
She gave us a little send off.
She gave her a hole in your bag.
Look, she's gone.
That fish is like,
so
all right, guys.
Dude, she literally grabbed the chum bag before she left.
What am I gonna do to them to like make sure
they remember Maya.
And she's like, let me rip this chum bag.
All right, let's get back.
Look, there's another one right there. Look. He's literally in the chum, dude. Oh my god, he's sitting right there. Come on, he has to be eating that.
He's like to the left of it. Oh, now there you go. Oh.
He sat in the same spot for like 2 seconds. He had to have eaten that.
Why are they?
Did he not?
I don't feel
Maybe
it.
they see the boat.
Get him. Stick it. Yes!
Oh, nice.
Yes.
There we go, baby.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, baby.
Same exact fight.
Number 2. Brandon, you got the toy motor remote?
Here, get up front, dude. Get up front, fight. You got it.
Nice fish, Jake. Second shark on.
Tight fished him.
Alright, you got the rest of the footage, alright?
Breathing across the flat.
There we go.
Nice
At
fish.
least she's not going in the mangroves. And she
Yep. We'll go chase her down. Nice fish, Jake.
You might not have to. Oh no. We're already off.
Oh, you want me to get out there with you? Get some extra weight up on the trolling motor?
it's fine. Don't worry.
Nice fish, Jake.
Nice. Got Jake on a shark here.
Finally, he got one. They were eluding him for like the past hour.
No,
I tightened it.
He's going right for the trees. He's going right for the trees.
Turn his head.
Oh no. Come on, Jake, turn him. Did you turn him?
Yeah, you gotta. Brandon, move your head.
Oh my gosh, if you turned him,
Working on the structure.
Dude, you literally turned him from that island, dude. That's legendary stuff right there.
Yes, dude.
Okay, so Jake, you need to walk to the back of the boat.
There you go. So I can like just.
I freaking.
Telling you, he's way nicer than we thought she
I
was.
housed him out of that tree, dude.
Dude, you really
I was
did.
like, get out of there.
She almost got you in that stuff, dude. Like, same as sharks as John's did.
Surtate.
Dude, on the Surtate!
2 sharks on the Surtate.
Turn your head.
Surtate, baby. Blue fish. Yeah, the sharks are busting.
Dude, we can get a sick picture right here in the shallow water. It's over.
Bust down, Daddy.
No,
The sharks are actually busting down today.
dude, busting down. Oh my gosh, dude, he's flared. He's flared in. Let's just try to keep him out on this flat here, Bubba. We can get a sick picture in the water.
I'm like grounded here, so.
Really?
I mean, yeah, it's fine though, you know?
Oh, you got him. Dude.
Come on, dude, you're nailing him right now.
Look at that.
Dude, it took her so long to eat that head. I can't believe that.
What is, dude, that dude's rod just like naps him.
Dude.
Oh, that was not
Oh.
Okay.
That was not okay.
Yeah, just
Oh,
put it on
dude,
your
she's
hip, dude. It might be
flared.
easier if you put it on your hip.
It's a perfect size one. It's a fun size one.
Or not.
Or not.
Blacktip.
Nice fish, dude.
Want a tailor? Yeah, I'm really tailor.
No, I'll land her.
Stop playing with me.
Oh, flared in.
Dude,
Oh,
so
so mad.
it's like lighter, like I don't know.
Yeah, she really is. She's pretty. Look, she's like light colored.
Oh, she's got that.
literally why you're not.
Dude, she is flared in, dude. We're gonna get such a cool picture, dude. I hope you know I'm getting in the water with this shark. Like, actually, this time. So mad. She's so.
If there were more, I was even more pissed.
There were more like extra flare. He's like, yo.
You caught a boy this time. Yes, we got
Is that a
the
male?
female. We got the claspers, dude. We got the claspers.
Give it to Brennan.
It's pretty fun.
Hold on, I lost my shoe.
Oh, that's so sick.
Might want to get.
Here, I'll get in. You want me to help you?
Watch
out. You got that?
Yep.
Alright, let's just put that now. No, I put on the boat.
Oh, dude. It's over. He's
Drop
eating
it.
He just ate it.
Wait, let him eat. Let him eat. Let him eat. Let him eat.
I know. I'm not
Just
eating
let
it.
him.
Alright, who's getting his fish?
There's not a lot of wire on there. You know this.
He just spit it.
He'll come
He's
back.
going back for it.
Let him eat all the way, buddy. Let him eat all the way.
Oh, he wants mine.
Wait, it's a circle hook, right?
He
Circle hook,
ate
right?
it.
Can you eat again?
There you go.
Is that yours?
Taking it.
Wait, you want it?
No, somebody's
Here,
on
I
it.
got it. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh, he's off.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that was cool. I think I got that eat though.